Nicole, I knew early on in 2014 that you were the one. From our early trip to Salt Spring, where we both knew that this was something a bit different, to Costa Rica, where we solidified that this was it. It's funny when something that seems like such a huge life decision is made so easy.
May you cultivate a marriage that brings you all the exquisite moments a marriage will bring. And may life grant you patience, tolerance, understanding, and love. Above all of it, love. And may you grow old together, loving the journey, as so it is. Amen.
There are 1,000 reasons why I love you, David Downs. You are the nicest person I know with a baseline of happy. Your patience, a foundation I will forever be grateful for. You don't judge others, and I know that I can wake up every day for the next 60 years and recreate myself, and you'll always be there loving me with your goofy grin.
So why you? In short, because it gives me chills when I think about that question. Because you don't take the easy path in your consistent pursuit of your best life. Because you're the best adventure partner, even when put to the test on a 24-hour train ride in India. Because you have the ability to take me out of the present and create space to dream of what could be.
Happiness in a marriage is not something that just happens. A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It's remembering to say, I love you, at least once a day.
We promise to prioritize the you, me, and us.
We promise to see each other in a room. We will see, hear, and respect each other.
We promise to create a safe space for each other. You will be loved whether you are weak or strong.
We promise to turn in.
We promise to accept each other as humans. You are perfectly imperfect.
We promise to be our biggest cheerleaders.
So as I take these vows, know that I am so sure that together we will do more. We will create a life worth remembering, that you are not alone, and you will never be alone from this day forward. So today I say I do, but to me that means I will. I will take your hand, and I will stand by your side in the good and the bad. I promise to help you say yes to adventure and push you out of your comfort zone. And I vow I won't ever give up on you or us.
I give you this ring as a gift that lasts forever. Wear it knowing that I love you and am always by your side from this day forward.
In this company and before these witnesses and in my presence, and have exchanged rings as a pledge of your vows to one another, now upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you husband and wife. May you kiss your lovely bride.
amount that you guys have been through has been so wild, and I don't know if two people could have handled it any better than you two. It was so much ease, like persistence, grit. It's such a perfect symbolism for your relationship. You two are a serious power couple. I cannot wait to see all the amazing things that you guys do together, create as you embark on this next chapter of your lives.
Nicole and David, may your marriage be long
Your argument short.
and your love everlasting.
Cheers.
You inspire me to be the man you deserve. And over the last 7 years, we've had moments. Now we have time.